Alright guys, we are live. October 21st, 2025. Let's get into the charts now that the AWS outage has been over. Pre-market high 25,321.25. Midnight open 25,328.75. And pre-market low 25,253.25. This does set us up for a big short, even though we are testing the levels according to Desi Trade. Shout out to him. But I'm going to trade my system, and my system is the opening bell drive. And the opening bell drive tells me that with this type of setup, we short the initial however long it gives us the signals for. So I will be taking profits into the move if it does open up red. Other things I'm watching for, let's see how much time, about 90 seconds. Looking at short PRAX. This has a interesting level because as you can see it was trading at $5 and now it's 3 times the amount in one day. I want to short the backside of this. Shout out to Lance. It's going to be a backside short. Day 2 sell the news type of thing. This is a semiconductor stock. Have never heard of it. I was in this short. It was an awesome short for me, so it just sold off throughout the day, but I took my profits early. Which candle? I think I took my profits on this one. Ah man, basically the low of daybreak. Alright, let's see where we end up. The short is the one where we will be in an elevated position in about 30 more seconds. Ten more seconds. I'm in. If it whips back up, we're out. Trust the analyses, make money. We'll take that small win first. De-risk. We'll take that second. Okay, we'll take that second. De-risk again. Perfect. Okay, now we have 6. We'll keep on de-risking as we fade the move. Awesome. We'll de-risk some more. This falls below 10%. We're out of the trade. Alright, and we're done. Just like that, guys. We had a 3-minute break. Could I have been more aggressive and just hold this for my runners? I could, but that's just not how I like to do it. So awesome stuff right there. Okay, let's see if we can do some shorting on some of the other stocks we were taking a look at. Okay, PRX holding steady. Okay, I definitely want to short this if I can. QQQ is weak at the moment. AMD went up. Okay, interesting. Yeah. Opening bell drive for the first 3 minutes. First 3 minutes. Ooh, that's a nasty rejection. What was RX? All the okay. Yeah, I remember it. It was that $687 mark, and now it's finally fading the move. This was a 2-day move. Okay. Bitcoin's a little weak. Okay, guys, just waiting for the next pre-market low break retest. Otherwise, if we're channel trading, I'll call it early. So I'm just gonna be taking a look. I don't have anything on the rebound, so yeah, just gonna jot some notes down. Awesome stuff. Okay, I really want to see if PRX can reject, which it is not doing. That's very interesting, my CELC, and that makes me really want to short, but you cannot short the strong movers. and you cannot long the weakest stocks. That's pretty much a 50-50 coin flip. I think that's, if you're an equities trader, that's what happens a lot, a lot. I did buy a trading combine for my future, so if I see anything I like, I can take it there. But otherwise, my equities is doing pretty nice. Yeah, QQQ is sideways, so I just gonna see what we have in store. It's an interesting level. It has bounced once, twice. It could be a bounce play. Let's check it out. I'm gonna bring this up right under here. I really want to see what happens at here. This kind of goes against my thesis, right? Don't short don't long the weak stocks. The bounce play potential. Yeah, don't get cute. I think for where we're at in the market, the late stage bull market, you don't want to try to predict these mean reversion, which is kind of more in play on slower more sideways market. But late stage bull market, we're looking for a momentum play, so I'm not gonna tempt with that. If I'm looking at weak stocks, I will short. If I'm looking at strong stocks, I will long. NQ is a little weak, so I'm trying to look for the weaker stocks that just haven't started yet. ASNDK. Caramel's weak. Okay, good. It's kind of getting into resistance, as you can see where I was zooming in for. This might be setting up for a pre-market low fake out. It's looking like it. What's the premiums now? Exactly where we bought it at. Well, we bought it up. Oh, we bought it with the down move right here. Okay. What's it gonna do here? MVTS. What are you gonna do here? I think, was that the better short? No, rebound, bang. Gotta wait a little bit though. Yeah, MVTS, I have to. Right here is kind of a higher risk short because I have all of this versus where am I targeting? It's already at the end. Okay, this one will be kind of with my ideas. Thinking about shorting this one. Alright, here. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Oops. 193. Nice. Okay. Okay, that 61050 is a nice, our kind of break retest level. Okay, we're in. Okay, we'll take it off. Take it off, we'll try again. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, we're just sitting. This is our stop loss, 265. It's coming back down. 265 is our stop loss. Yeah, we just want to make sure we catch the move. Okay, good. So if it dips below 10%, we are out. Okay, I'm happy with the move. Happy with the move. It's a little messy. I think we broke even on that one.
Order filled.
Alright guys, we are gonna be done for today. Yeah, right now it's rejecting. Kind of our pre-market low. PRAX. If anything, I do want to short PRAX. 165. Ooh. Alright guys, probably done for today. If I don't see anything I like in equities, I won't take anything extra. This is just too weak. It's in the sideways kind of trend. It's right in the smack in the middle of yesterday's range. Not what I like to see. This one I was expecting a bigger pop, but of course it didn't. This one's actually pretty strong comparatively. QQ just made this incredible rally, kind of breaking trend a little bit, so it's kind of a garbage chart. MP. Yeah, we won't bite off more than what we can chew right now. QQQ is a little messy. It's not following what we like. So unless some other chart is just like laying the trade out for us, we're probably not gonna trade stuff. Yeah, shout out to Desi Trades with their 450 fade away. A little bit going on here as well. Okay. Right, guys. Gonna just sign off because right now the chart's not looking that great for me. Oh, okay. Let's try this again.
Order filled.
Let's try this again. Let's do. So 50 points from here is 25180. 25180 is that the E level? We don't have that info. I'm looking for 25180. That's kind of exactly 1R from where I want to take this. AMD was like, psych. AMD short's kind of something I'd like to get into, to be honest. Is there any news? No news. this point for the futures, I'm just using it as data as because the QQQ is not as doesn't have quite as many large moves, and then you can really get like a little bit of a nuance read on it. I'm okay with holding, losing, whatever it is. It's not my main vehicle. Okay. Bullish engulfing. Qs are weak, but we have a bullish engulfing on MP. Let's see how engulfing it is. What are we looking at here? Okay, -1. So it's in the bullish engulfing, but if this makes a low, newer low, this is a garbage chart. Yeah, that's why you don't short the things that are not making sense. That's why. Look at the people rebuying in their shorts, or maybe covering their position. About 40 more points. Oh, from here, yeah. 40? 50? Yeah, that's 40, okay. Wait a minute, I'm confusing myself. Hang on 1 second. 170. Our entry is here. Okay, so that's a 40-point move. Actually, 190 is kind of 1R. Yeah, 190. So we'll just wait for that. 190, but 150 is 2R. Yeah, let's see if we can get it. What a not so great situation happening here for MP. It has a bullish engulfing, but the Qs are weak, and it definitely follows the indices. I'm not gonna do anything I wouldn't do otherwise, so we're just chilling at the moment. being annoying, but it didn't break trend yet. So what does that mean for me? That means we're still staying in. Yeah, no other equities trade for me. It's just super slow. Hey guys, I gotta use the bathroom, but I don't have any stop loss or take profits at the moment. So hopefully this doesn't go against me. So a little bit of entertainment for you guys to just see how my P&L and how this trade thesis is going. This is the break retest of pre-market lows. Hopefully this doesn't do anything I don't want it to do. It is making lower highs, lower lows, so I'm okay with this. Alright, be right back. Okay, nothing has happened. So you can view this either one or two ways. This is the bounce potential. You take the longs, or the more times we touch this bounce level, it will be a floor that will break to the downside. I'm flexible either way. Does not bother me one bit. We do have some bullish engulfing on a lot of the charts I'm looking at. So GSIT, PRAX, yep. And not quite NQ yet so far. MP, most definitely. After it took out the lows, a little bit of a trap play. It's just too suspicious. It's a difficult chart for me to trade because there's bullish engulfings, but the NQ is weak. No thanks. Just no thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna close up the live stream. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm gonna let this trade play out. Unfortunately, I did not set my my brackets, so I have to manually take this loss, which will be good practice. But other than that, guys, hope your Tuesday's been going well. Stay smart, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys